Amanda here from Rocky Mountain Inn Love in Bailey, Colorado. We wanted to make a video today because we get asked a lot by our clients, our friends, our family, a lot about what it takes to run a bed and breakfast. So I'll tell you a little story about how it all got started. Actually, it was my grandparents who have lived in this cottage for many years. It's actually been in the family for over 100 years. And my grandparents decided to turn it into a bed and breakfast, and it's had an amazing success rate, and we have a lot of frequent flyers who stop by, and they just really enjoy the culture of the cottage, as well as just everything it has to offer in Bailey, Colorado, which is really beautiful. A lot of my friends ask, well, what is it like to work in a bed and breakfast? And I'll tell you that, and I'm speaking for myself, I genuinely love seeing our clients and guests enjoy themselves. We have a lot of amenities here at Rocky Mountain Inn Love Bed and Breakfast. We have a fully stocked pond. We have Palisade wine that a family friend has coordinated with us to provide that. We also provide our guests with spa services, but my favorite part is definitely our pastries and our gourmet bed and breakfast. So we actually have a lot of fun every year when we try to establish a new menu. I'll tell you that my grandparents for years have a chicken coop out back. They also they grow their own vegetables, and so our breakfast menu items are fresh and organic here in Bailey, Colorado. It's just a beautiful, wonderful time, and it's a very charming experience for our guests. And they're always welcome to ask questions and do a tour. But what we really find is that our guests come here for relaxation, to just get away from the city life for a weekend, or to spark their romance with their significant other. We also see a lot of folks coming by and staying at our bed and breakfast that don't feel like they want to stay in a hotel, and it's a great alternative to stay in a B&B. So that's been great. We do see a lot of visitors from out of town for the Bailey wedding venues. So it's always great. We get a lot of calls. We're very close to the wedding venues here in Bailey. It's just gorgeous, and it's a fun time of year. We get to meet a lot of nice folks. As far as running the bed and breakfast, you know, we put a lot of hard work into it because we really care about the experience. So we do things like we're always updating the design, the decor, and we're staying on top of maintenance of the cottage. Gosh, it's over 100 years old. So we really do take pride in our bed and breakfast, and that's really what I have to share as far as working here for my grandparents. I actually run the events, so anybody who's looking to get the most out of their experience in Bailey, Colorado while staying with us, I'm happy to provide them with suggestions. I also take reservations over the phone and monitor our emails and our Facebook page, which that's a lot of fun for me. So if you have any questions for us or me specifically, feel free to comment below. We would love to get your feedback and hear about your experience or any questions you might have about being our guest, hopefully here in the near future. Thanks again. Bye-bye.